Wherever you launch it is fine with me.
Where you're at, okay? Right here.
Yeah, we're gonna capsize this boat.
You're gonna what?
It's gonna be capsized.
Oh.
Launch the fucking hook. Welcome to the raft. Here's your deckhand today.
Sergeant, come here. There. Buddy, come on. Come on.
Oh, shit!
Come on, buddy. Buddy, get in there.
Fire that motor up, dude. It doesn't work.
Come on, buddy. Get up.
Come on, buddy. Get your ass up here, man.
Hey, someone lift my dog up there.
I know, bro.
You only have 2 paddles?
Go for the front. Come on, buddy. Come over here. Come on, buddy. Come on.
Hey, you really only have 2 paddles?
Buddy. Yep. Come here, boy.
You're about to flip
Buddy.
it, Victor.
Come here.
Buddy,
Here.
come on. Get in there.
Right here.
Good boy.
I had to
Good
pick
boy.
him up.
Come on, sir. Sir, get in there. Go in there. Go sit in the back.
Oh my God, what am I doing, guys?
Let him in the back. Hey, he's hooked. Stop. 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 Dude.
Holy shit. Is he alright?
Yeah.
Ripped it off. Put him in the back.
Hello there, Mike. How you doing?
Good.
We drinking and sipping.
Yeah?
And,
Jump in.
well, I can't. You guys are all in my way. Buddy needs to get right where you're at.
No more
Right where-
dicks. Come on. Hey.
Come here, buddy. Right here.
What are you
No,
doing?
stop, dude.
No, it's getting too heavy. I was just moving out a little bit.
Come on, buddy. Come here.
Buddy!
Are we going?
Buddy!
You can leave him.
Come here, buddy.
Just run around.
Probably better. He's gonna capsize us.
No, he won't. Come on, boy.
Just keep him in
Get
the
in
front right there.
Jump in, buddy. Come on, buddy. Buddy, come on.
Come
Get
on.
in it. Come on. Up here. Get in.
Come on, buddy.
Let's go. Let's go.
Buddy!
Come on.
Right
Come
there
on,
where
buddy.
it's at.
Come on, buddy.
Yeah, Harley will flip the boat right there. That's where all the weight's at. Victor, grab him.
Just leave him.
Okay.
Grab him.
He's gonna swim out to us.
Well, good. Let him work out.
Okay.
Just take off his collar thing.
Yeah, so he doesn't get snagged on anything.
Yeah, stuck on a
Buddy, come here.
branch.
Come here, buddy.
I'm gonna have to be like the Indian who saves the dog. I'm gonna do that.
The Indian that saves the dog.
Yeah. Shit happens. I
Definitely
can't rely
can't
on
leave
this
him out
fucker right here.
Yeah, with the dirt biker.
Dude, he's gonna attack the guy. Buddy, come here.
Come on, buddy.
Right here, buddy.
Buddy! Come here, buddy. Oh my
Come on, Katie. Get your ass in the back. Right there, next to me.
I'll push the boat out.
No, I'll push.
I got you, Ese.
Here, Adam.
Hurrah! We're going backwards, man.
I know. We gotta turn this. Get this thing
Get out
going.
here
Hey,
more.
sir, you wanna call Buddy?
All right, now it's your
Hey,
turn.
does he want to be here?
It's your turn. Buddy, can sit back here and
He's
you
good
can
right
sit up
now.
front.
He's good right
Buddy, let's get up there a little ways. He's comfortable right now.
now. Hey, do you guys see any fish hooks on the ground or anything?
Yeah, I saw one flipping over there. But we haven't caught one yet.
Yeah, fuck the saddle. Don't make it.
All right.
Fucking face is dumb.
Go on your side.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this.
Yeah. Now we got some engine power. up in this
Now
bitch.
we're talking, bro.
Alright, where's my stick at? I'm gonna have to go fishing while they paddle.
He ripped your hook off.
Oh, what a bastard.
No, it's because you almost trapped Buddy.
Okay, then this
Wait till I get you.
Oi!
oh, that wind.
boat and they already got our spot too over there and they caught a fish.
It's a good boat, I thought.
This one?
Yeah.
This thing's the beast, like you see.
How are you doing, Willie?
Awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why did you want to be on a boat today?
It's his idea.
Sexy ass. My idea.
Yep.
I just wanted to get drunk. And you get out with the fishing.
Vision.
You heard there's some good fishes?
Yep.
Yeah?
You're gonna catch it.
Oh, wow. Okay.
They're just pounding beer.
Where is this place at?
This is in the Bahamas.
Oh, yeah? The Bahamas of where?
We're out here in the fucking rocks. People have died. They have jumped from up there. Coyotes have ate them and shit. Fucking snakes have fucking. I saw an anaconda the other day over here eating a poor fucking kid. Attacked him. He was riding his motorcycle up there and fucking anaconda just grabbed his ass.
We're going to this little
Wow.
Took him into that fucking hole right there.
See, there's an aura right in that cove right there. We were right here, dude. Right in that
There's
two
the paddle
spot.
right there. Paddle over there.
Kenny, go right there.
Right there. Hey.
Kenny, go to the right so we can grab the other oar and we can park right there.
I know we're hauling ass and everything, but I don't got a motor. I can just be like, pull right up in there, you know.
On the double
Wanna go over there or what?
Yeah, that's the spot. Too bad I didn't have this engine going.
Your side.
So this is in Littlerock, California.
We be hauling
It's
ass.
in the desert, but there's this little dam with a remainder of a little pond, I would say.
Make some
And
jumps.
they got a boat, a little boat, and they are just
You guys have
whatever.
any beer?
I don't even know.
Paddle.
Do you have any ice?
You got
Yep.
any weed?
You got an ice chest right
Drugs?
Adam's got some.
You got some fucking cocaine?
A little bit of meth.
Some meth? Well, I won't work with that.
I mean,
They are just kidding. They are just kidding. They don't do that stuff.
Kenny almost went down.
Come on, man.
I only get a couple sharps.